Welcome folks, my name is Hassan, this is my first video, and today I will be unboxing the Rode Podmic, a dynamic microphone, so let's get into it. The package itself is pretty clean. It has a Podmic in front, Rode logo on the side, and some of the descriptions and stuff, some of the features. The side it just says Rode, the other side again just says Rode. Here you just have a bunch of features. The only thing that I'm not sure about is this 2-year warranty. Where is it? Yeah, Rode has other microphones where they have 10-year warranty, like their Rode Procaster, their NTG3, the NT1. These are the ones that I know of that have the 10-year warranty, and for some reason they thought, they're not sure about whether this will last for more than 2 years. I'll find out after 2 years probably. At the bottom it just says made in Australia and some of the other stuff. So it's a sleeve, so let's just take it out if I can. So it's the same thing but in like a wireframe logo without any colors and stuff. It's this exact same thing around. So I'll take the box open. So it has this little guy, okay? And inside, you just have the mic itself in this bag. I'm gonna put it aside. Silica gel. Another box with that. And the box itself is empty. We have this little bag. And this is the mic. So this is it. I kind of like the design of it. Oh wow, okay. So they did put their logo on the side, as you can see here. They probably realized that a lot of people are doing streaming and there might be more people on YouTube, so they want their logo to be out there. Because I realized that their other microphones don't have their logo this big, like they don't have a large font Rode on the side of their microphones. And at the back it clearly says the Podmic. So, but apart from that, I mean, it's not too big. It's not as big as the Shure MV7. That's just a gigantic Shure logo. So in terms of the material itself, this is metal with metal grill and it's super heavy. I like this yoke design, so this is similar to how the SM7B is, with some differences, but it allows you to have your mic positioned in multiple positions and you can move it around. That's pretty good, and you can tighten it up so that it stays there. And at the back you just have an XLR input, and that's about it. It doesn't come with any accessories. I believe there's a shock mount inside of this mic, and there is a pop filter inside as well. I'll find out in a bit, where I might just give it a little bit of a test. So at the bottom, where you would mount the microphone on a desk stand or a boom arm, you would usually need something like this, but it allows you to connect to a boom arm and a desk stand, which is without needing an adapter, which is pretty good. So now I will try to mount this on my boom arm. Alrighty, so the sound that you're listening to right now is coming from the Rode Podmic. It's $100 microphone. For this price, I feel like this is a good starter microphone if you're getting into podcasting or making YouTube videos or Twitch streaming. Because a lot of people tend to look at people online who are using why am I holding this? Who are using the Shure SM7B or the Electro Voice RE20 and think that I need that microphone because it looks good, or that person is using it. But the truth is that that microphone costs more than 4 times the price of this. At a certain level, if you're starting out as a podcaster, if you're starting out as a YouTuber or an online streamer, you would rather be better off starting with a microphone, like a budget-friendly microphone. It doesn't have to be the Podmic. It could be the Shure SM58 and the 57 as well. So there are a few good budget microphones that you can get into. But anyways, I love this microphone in terms of the build quality, in terms of the sound quality. Microphones are subjective at the end of the day, so there's no one size fits all. One other thing that I wanted to talk about, just to be clear, this video is not sponsored. I think it's pretty obvious because I only have like 8 subscribers, and nobody in their right frame of mind would pay someone or sponsor someone that has like 8 subscribers. So I have paid for all of these things myself. I'm just happen to like audio equipment and gear and stuff. Anyway, so that's been it. I wanted to make this video for a long time. yeah, let me know in the comments below if you're starting out something, either it's a Twitch streaming or YouTube videos. And if you do have a microphone, which one is it? And yeah, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next video.